Today we have to discuss about the pumping lemma for context-free grammar. Before we start, we have already known about the pumping lemma for the regular grammar. Now, if you want to discuss about this, first you have to know that what is context-free grammar, and we have to describe or represent the context-free grammar using derivation tree or path tree. You have to know about this. Before going to the pumping lemma, first, if you have any language that the language are not context free, you have to assume that the corresponding set is context free. First, we have to assume that the corresponding language is context free. Okay. After that, you have to apply the pumping lemma, and you have to get the contradictions to prove that the corresponding language is not context free language, right? Now the step one, what did it say? That is, the assume L is context free, right? So whenever you have to prove that the corresponding set is not context free, then first you have to assume that the L is context free, and you have to find out a string from this set where the length of this string is more than or greater than or equal to n, right? Now, if the length of the string is greater than or equal to n, then the string will be subdivided into 5 substring, that is uv wxy, with the length of vx is less than or equal to n, and also the length value of vx is greater than or equal to 1. Now we have to find out a suitable k where the u v to the power k w x to the power k y is not belongs to L, right? It not belongs to L. Just you have to see here, that is, this is not belongs to L. So that is the contradiction. So the L is not context free. So whenever you have to have any language and you have to prove that this language is not context free, first of all, you have to assume that the language is context free, and we get some contradictions and to prove that the language is not context free. So we have to write that the z is equal to uvwxy, where the length of Vx is less than or equal to n and greater than equal to 1, right? Now we have to find out a suitable k where the u v to the power x w x to the power x to the power k y is not belongs to L, right? My next lecture we have to discuss about the how to prove the language L is equal to ai square such that I greater than equal to 1 is not context free. Thank you.